Assalamualaikum dan selamat malam. Hari ini saya akan membentangkan tentang application of steam in beverage. Kumpulan kami terdiri daripada 3 orang. Pertama itu adalah saya, Haikadania bin Mat Nawawi. Ahli kedua Muhammad Jafri Hashim bin Muhammad Shah. Dan ahli ketiga adalah Muhammad Hanafiah bin Fauzi. Introduction. Boiler is a pressure vessel that provides a heat transfer surface, generally a set of tubes between the combustion product and the water. A boiler is usually integrated into a system with many components. Boilers are used to produce steam. The generation part of a steam system uses a boiler to add energy to a feed water supply to generate steam. The energy is released from the combustion of fossil fuels or from process waste heat. Beverage industry. The beverage industry, also known as drink industry, manufactures drink and ready-to-drink products. Examples are bottled water, soft drink, energy drinks, milk product, coffee and tea-based products, nutritional drinks, and alcohol products. The beverage industry is traditionally a market with specific high demand with regard to hygiene and its related technologies. Exquisite hygiene is needed to maintain the high quality standard and shelf life of the end product. Whether it is mineral or drinking water, lemonade, fruit juice, beer, wine, or sparkling wine. Beverage production varies largely depending on the product being made. The beverage industry consists of 2 major categories. Alcoholic beverage industry. The alcoholic beverage industry includes distilled spirits, sparkling wine, cider, and brewing. Non-alcoholic beverage industry. The non-alcoholic beverage industry is comprised of soft drink or soft beverage industry, or syrup manufacture, soft drink, and water bottling and canning, fruit juice bottling, canning, and boxing, the coffee industry, and the tea industry. Itu sahaja daripada saya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Hanafiah bin Fauzi. Saya akan terangkan pasal boiler component. Name of component boiler. Make up water heater, reactor, economizer, steam and milk drum, superheat boiler, apparatus, condensate system. Dan ni adalah gambar rajah sistem boiler. Beverage process. Turbine is a streamlined, functioning, polyfic stainless steel system designed to cook the spirit exactly as specific, replacing high hygiene and keeping the process food and beverage process system complete, mixing with liquid food or beverage with the brewing space and consistent temperature control. Instantaneous acting and not telling or falling of the product. Terima kasih kepada saya.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Muhammad Jafri Hashim bin Muhammad Shah. Nombor pendaftaran 08 DKM 109F111. Hari ini saya nak terangkan tentang role of steam boilers in beverage processing. Water tube boiler is a type of boiler where the water circulating in the tube is heated externally by fire. The fuel burned in the furnace creates hot gas that will heat the water in the generator steam tube. In smaller boilers, the tube separate auxiliary generator in the furnace, while a larger utility boiler release on a tube filled with water that forms the wall of the furnace to produce steam. In smaller boilers, the auxiliary generator tubes are separate in the furnace, while larger utility boilers rely on water-filled tubes that form the walls of the furnace to produce steam. The heated water will then rise to the steam drum. Here, compressed steam is drawn from the top of the drum. In some parts, the steam will return back into the furnace through an overheater that becomes overheat. Superheated steam is defined as steam that is heated above the boiling point at a given pressure. Superheated steam is a type of dry gas used to drive a turbine. Okay, the last one is the conclusion. Steam turbines act as steam engine that convert heat energy into mechanical energy. Steam turbines extract thermal energy from steam that is exposed to extremely high pressure. Due to its rotary motion, the steam turbines are used to drive motors from the electricity generation. It contains various stages arranged in a sequence in a closed pipe. The steam goes through each stage and it gets heated up and expands, producing energy. The steam turbine operates under the principle of thermo efficiency. There are two main types of steam turbine, which consist of impulse turbines and reaction turbines. Steam turbine compounding refers to the procedure of obtaining energy from the steam in several stages instead of a single stage in a turbine. The purpose of using the steam turbine's compounding is to decrease the rotational speed applied to the turbine to practical limits. There are three major forms of compounding turbines which include the velocity compounding, pressure compounding, and pressure velocity compounding. Steam turbines are applicable in the production of electricity in nuclear power plants. In, nu- in nuclear power plants, the heat source used is usually a nuclear reactor, just as it is the case in other thermal power stations. The nuclear reactor heat is used to generate steam, which then drives the steam turbine. The steam turbine is connected to the electric generator, which produces electricity. There have been many cases of failures of steam turbines. Alright, itu saja daripada saya, Muhammad Fashion. Ini adalah kami punya reference.